Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking to start your own business? You're not alone. With over 32 million small businesses in the USA, the opportunity for success is real. The best part? More than 60% of small businesses thrive, offering an exciting chance to jump into entrepreneurship. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 small business ideas you can start in the USA that have incredible growth potential. Let's get started and turn your dreams of becoming your own boss into reality. Number 1. Mobile food truck. A mobile food truck offers the perfect opportunity for those wanting to break into the food industry without committing to a physical location. You get the flexibility of serving food on the go while minimizing overhead costs. Why mobile food trucks? Food trucks are a great way to cater to hungry customers wherever they are. Whether you're stationed in high-traffic areas, at festivals, or popping up in local neighborhoods, the possibilities are endless. With a food truck, you can easily serve diverse food options and target different markets. How to get started? Find your niche. What food will you serve? Popular options include gourmet street food, vegan meals, or international dishes. Equipment and permits. Invest in a reliable food truck and ensure you have the necessary food handling permits. Market your truck. Use social media to post your location and menu updates to attract a loyal following. Revenue potential. Food truck owners can earn anywhere from $24,000 to $153,000 annually, depending on their location and customer demand. Number 2. Woodworking. Woodworking is not only a creative outlet, but also a profitable business. If you have a knack for crafting, starting a woodworking business could be a fantastic idea. Why woodworking? There's always a demand for custom-made wooden products. From home decor to furniture and kitchen accessories, the options are endless. People love unique, handcrafted wooden items that bring a special touch to their homes. How to get started? Invest in tools. Start small with basic tools and expand as your business grows. Choose a niche. Whether you make furniture, decor, or custom wood products, focus on a specific market. Sell your creations. Local markets, online platforms like Etsy, or your own website are great places to sell. Revenue potential. A skilled woodworker can make between $30,000 to $100,000 annually depending on demand and pricing. Number 3. Organic farming. The organic farming business is booming as more people opt for healthier, sustainable options. With consumer demand rising for organic produce, this industry shows no signs of slowing down. Why organic farming? Organic food is increasingly popular as people become more health conscious. In fact, organic food sales reached over $57 billion in 2021, and it continues to grow. It's an ideal business for those looking for low startup costs with high profit margins. How to get started? Start small. You don't need vast farmland to begin. Start by growing a few popular crops such as tomatoes or herbs. Get certified. If you plan to sell organic products, you'll need an organic certification. Market locally. Sell your produce at farmers markets, local stores, or even direct to consumers via a subscription model. Revenue potential. Organic farmers can earn between $40,000 and $150,000 a year, depending on the scale of their operation. Number 4. Online selling. Online selling is one of the fastest growing industries, and the opportunities are endless. Whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or dropshipping, e-commerce can be a very profitable business model. Why online selling? The e-commerce industry has exploded, with $871 billion in sales in 2021 alone. People shop online for everything, and you can tap into this market with minimal overhead costs. How to get started? Choose your niche. Select a product that excites you. Whether it's clothing, gadgets, or home decor, make sure there's demand. Set up shop. Create an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, or sell on established marketplaces like Amazon or eBay. Marketing. Use social media, SEO, and email campaigns to drive traffic to your site and turn visitors into customers. Revenue potential. Depending on your product and marketing, online sellers can make anywhere from $30,000 to $200,000 annually. Number 5. Property management. Property management is a lucrative business that requires minimal investment but offers high rewards. You'll be responsible for handling property maintenance, tenant relations, and ensuring properties are well kept, Why property management? As more people rent rather than own, the demand for property management services has grown. Whether it's residential or vacation properties, this business offers a steady stream of income. How to get started? Research your market. Start in a location with a high demand for rental properties. Target areas with young professionals, college students, or tourists. Get certified. While certification isn't required everywhere, it adds credibility and helps you attract clients. Offer comprehensive services. Provide services such as rent collection, maintenance, and tenant screening to make your business more appealing. Revenue potential. Property managers can make an average of $60,000 annually, and with experience, you could earn even more as you handle multiple properties. Starting a small business in the USA is not just about making money. It's about finding something you're passionate about and creating something you're proud of. Whether you're into food trucks, woodworking, organic farming, online selling, or property management, there's a business idea that's right for you. If you enjoy these ideas and want more business insights, be sure to like and subscribe to Profit Powerhouse for more valuable content. Let us know in the comments which business you'd like to start and why.